Welcome aboard the Celebrity Reflection. I'm Cheryl, and today I'm giving you a first look inside my Aqua Class Balcony, Stateroom 2125. Let's step inside and see what makes this cabin a wellness-focused escape at sea. All right, we are doing a room tour of room 2125. This is on deck 12. This is an Aqua Class balcony. The front door where you have your deep sleep sound. If you don't want to be disturbed, you have your emergency evacuation information. And this ship, this is the Celebrity Reflection, and you do not need a key card to turn on and off the lights. So you just turn them on and off as you please. All right, so let's go to the first door, which is the bathroom. So we have our watch your step sign here. Here are your temperature controls. And below this is your light for your bathroom. All right, so we're gonna go into the bathroom and we have a capsule-like shower. We have our Big Glow, Cobligo, I don't know, products, but they have products here. This is shampoo, body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. And there is a grab bar here as well as a bar here for your leg. They have, okay, I'm gonna have to check these out because they have like 3 different buttons. It looks like different experiences that you can have. Okay, this is a sophisticated shower, so we're gonna have to check this out. As well as now there's your shower head. But let me tell you the feature that I love most about this room. Let me turn this camera around to show you this shower. Look at this. These are jets, and this shower will make you not want to leave this room. So you can turn it to the right, and of course you have your shower head, but turn it to the left and you got these jets going. Now, let me close this door a little bit. Turn it further to the left. You got the jets plus the shower head. So when I tell you, I didn't want to get out the shower. Every time I got into the shower, I did not want to get out. This forces you to take extra long showers. I mean, it is just a great experience, especially with the jets hitting your back and everything. This is nice. They do have 2 hooks here for hanging, I guess, if you want to hang items to dry. All right, so let's check the tightness of this because on another ship, I'm not gonna name the ship, but this is a sliding door. All right, so this is a sliding door. It's a double sliding door. So how is the room? It's a little tight, but I will say that it is more spacious than what I experienced on the MSC Seashore in the Yacht Club. So it's tight, but it's more spacious to me. A little bit, a couple of inches. All right, then you have your products here. You have hand towels, so you do not have to request them. They do put hand towels in your cabin. You have a couple of it looks like a couple of convenient cabbie drawers here. This is your waste bin. You have your basin and a couple of little nooks for storage. Oh, and then you also have a little cabinet here. So plenty, and you have your hair dryer there. So plenty of space, storage space within the bathroom. So far I like this bathroom. For an older ship, this is pretty nice. All right, so to our left, we have a full length mirror. And we do have a robe. Like I said, this is Aqua Class, so they furnish us with a robe in the room. Now, moving forward, we do have our little desk area. There's a nice little chair here. I love chairs with backs, so comfortable seating. Let's try it out. Okay, yes, this is very comfortable. And now I don't have it here, but she did tell me that there will be water bottles that she will refill every morning. So there is a bottle of water here. I will have to see if there is a charge for this water. Plus, this is your menu for if you want to order room service for morning breakfast. Here are the items. You can fill this out, place it outside of your door before 2 a.m. and they will pick it up. Let's see what they have on the menu. And they have beverages, dairy alternative, cereal, bakery items, and they do have eggs and omelets. From the griddle, they have bacon, hash browns. Okay, we're going to do this. Cold cuts and smoothies. So there are a few options for you if you want to dine in your room for breakfast. So the breakfast, there is a room charge. The breakfast is free for Aqua Class, but there is a room charge of $9.95 per day, and plus your 20% service charge on top of that. So it was about $11 or so on my bill. All right, and so we do have a mirror here over the desk, and there's a light here. So let's turn that on, and that gives us a little lighting over the desk area. We do have outlets here, and so this looks like a couple of outlets plus an international outlet as well. Okay, we're gonna come back over here to the left side. So we have a sofa. So this is not a pull-out sofa. There's nothing underneath there. And we have our little coffee table here. All right, moving over here to the right. So we do have a little cubby here. And what is this? Let's see what this is. Do have complimentary binoculars in the room. And let me see, this is a note about the balcony and stateroom doors, not leaving them open at the same time. Here on the countertop is where they put all of your information about the ship. So they will put this in here daily about the ship activities and all of your welcome information and any other information you need to know. If there are excursions that you have done, anything that you've signed up for, any promotionals that they are interested in sharing with you, they will leave those here. So we also have desk space. Okay, so this is, and I'm looking at this for the first time, so this is our safe area. This is our safe. And I'm sure this is our refrigerator. Now, she did explain to me that this is complimentary. She put in a complimentary bottle of champagne. So that is mine to drink. That's complimentary. So I take it the rest of this is of charge, but I will find out about that for the Aqua Class. The stocked minibar here. So you will have your vodka, and I believe she said there were 2 beers that were supposed to be in here, your sodas, a couple of bottles of wine, but those are at a charge as well. And you do have a private bar menu here with pricing. And also we have 3 drawers here, and these drawers are deep. So there's a lot of space for storage here. Now we come over to our bedding area, where first we have a nightstand off to the side and a little bedside lighting, as well as our phone. Now oh, this is so soft, you guys. I love soft pillows. So this is so soft. Both of them are really, really soft. So we have, and the bed feels a little bit between soft and firm, but the bed is supposed to be cashmere bedding for Aqua Class, so a more comfortable sleep. And I have them pulled together for a full-size bed. Now, over the bed, you do have overhead storage. Over the bed, you have 2 cabinets for overhead storage if you happen to need it. On the other side, we do have a nightstand and also a little light, just like the other side of the bed. I noticed that we are now pulling away as I'm showing you the balcony. So this is our balcony. Let's open the door here. And we have 2 chairs and a nice little table in between. So this is our balcony space. are you ready for your first or your next cruise and need assistance? Scan the QR code and let's work together to plan your customized cruise experience.